Okay, this is January 23rd, and we are here in Centerville, Virginia with Snowmageddon, or the blizzard of 2016. And as you can see, it has snowed a significant amount more since yesterday. We are now in day 2 of this storm, and my porch is covered. I'm not even going to open the door. It is way too cold outside, and the wind is blowing around like crazy. I'll give you a shot of my swing over there, and as you can see, it is still snowing, and we have about 12 hours probably left of this storm, so I will check back with you later.